way home with our little princess. Grampy and Nana are very excited, aren't we, Nana?
We are.
As soon as Yenna came in the house, she started playing with those Barbies, which she loves, and she also likes hiding in her little cubbyhole on the wall unit. Ooh. What is it?
Who do you think it would fit?
Oh my god, for my pickles?
And you know what it is?
Is it a version?
Yes!
What's the smallest insect? We got a butterfly and a little ant. You got to circle the small one. That's a girl. Oh, is that ever cute? Okay, let's go down the hill. Can you go down the hill? Whoa! Oh, you okay? Oh, jumping. Sweetheart, what are you making?
I'm making a castle.
You're doing a pretty good job, sweetheart. I'm hearing a noise. Oh, there she is. Surprise. Good to see.
Now.
Nana and Yenna are just doing a little craft here on kind of sewing and knitting little hearts.
Now in the next one. Oh, perfect.
Good going, Yenna.
Pull it through.
Boy, that's a good little craft. It's a good little skill for a little girl to learn.
Yeah.
Ready? Here we go. Is this fun?
Yeah.
We ever going, eh? Whee! Whoo! How is that, princess? Yenna. Did you have a good jump, sweetheart? Everybody's making a snow angel.
Yeah. How many hands do you have?